right, my friend. So we're here at Denise and Paul's home, and we're just do a quick tour. They just bought this place a little better than a year ago. They are exactly 2 blocks from the beach and 1 block from the Malecon, the international Malecon. So they're very close. They paid roughly 3 million pesos for this place. Now they paid cash, so that avoided the GST. But the city also takes a cut too, so they had to pay the city as well. And because of the location of the house, Paul was saying they have to pay $500 US a year because they're so close to the beach. So
as a foreigner.
And a foreigner, yeah. So as you can see, this would probably at one time was a garage, but it's now like just a little sitting room. So they have street parking only, which is okay. I mean, it's a fairly quiet street. My attitude over there, very nice. So let's go take a quick tour, my friend. They got their bicicletas here. Paul's just hanging up some beautiful Mexican artwork here, trying to make his home Mexicana and Casa Socorro.
Yeah.
Casa Socorro.
Helper.
Pardon?
Helper. Casa helper.
Helper.
Socorro is helping.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll go take a quick peek. We'll start downstairs, and then we'll go upstairs. Come on in. A little bit cool in here. A little bit dark right now. Let's get some lights on. There we go. Good enough. So there's their beautiful mural here that they have. Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very Mexican style home. High ceilings. Very nice. There's no AC down here, but they have AC in the bedroom. But it's pretty cool down here because they don't get a lot of sunlight, as you can see. It's well shielded from the sun. They got the guitar over there, the wooden guitar, the coat rack. Paul's a musician here. So very, very nice. Nice big dining room. I love how big the dining room is. Absolutely beautiful. The furniture was included. That was part of the criteria. They said, we need furniture. So they got some furniture. And they have it decorated very, very beautifully. It's such a nice place. They've done some work already. They've painted these tiles in here. Here's the kitchen, quite big. So it was very colorful all around the edge, and it was just a little bit too much for Denise. So it was very psychedelic with all the bright colors. So, and it was all mix matched. So she's painted the edge all blue and then left the trim there. It looks really nice. I like it. So beautiful kitchen, as you can see. They're going to cover this up. They're going to put some doors over that to cover the food up. This is very Mexican style with everything open like this. So this is a typical Mexican home. And they have a beautiful passway here. As you can see, this is a AC that they have, and it just runs on water and ice. So it's like water, ice, AC. It works quite well, Paul was saying. So they didn't want to put an AC down here, so they've already got AC upstairs. So let's go outside and take a peek at the casita that they had built. And they paid 30,000 Canadian dollars to build a casita. So let's go take a look. And they got lots of kitties. There's the kitties. They got the bathroom here. They got an outdoor bathroom. And it's all functionable. We won't go in there. There's cats in there, but there's a little bathroom there. And then they had the pool built. I don't know the price of the pool. So this is their barbecue area, a little seating area. They've got it covered here. I believe they had this built as well. So now this is a shared backyard kind of with the neighbors. This used to be one whole property, and they kind of subdivided it. So there's an elderly gentleman that lives next door, and this is his property over here. So they were trying to buy this area over here, but they wanted too much money, so they decided against it. So their property line ends right here at the pool. So it's kind of a shared backyard, but it's an elderly gentleman that lives there. So, and here's their pool. I'm not sure, like I said, the price of the pool. He couldn't quite remember how much it cost. But this was 30,000 Canadian to build this here, the casita. Let's go inside and take a peek. And look at the beautiful mural that they had built here, had painted. The guy did an amazing job. Denise kind of designed this. She wanted the lighthouse. You got the pier, you got the lighthouse. So it's Progreso, basically. Very, very nice. Very nice. They've got it fixed up really, really nice too. Obviously, they put all these plants here. They got the pool's got a bench there. You got stairs going down, and they do have a pump here as well for the pool. The Casita is really, really nice. Let's go in and check it out. And there's AC in the Casita. Very, very beautiful. So this is just for family and friends. That's it. They're not going to rent it out or anything. And they have internet over here as well. You can see they got AC up here. Denise did a great job. This building was kind of here, but it was falling down. It was kind of like what the buildings look like over there. A disaster. So they've had the whole place rebuilt. So, and then added another floor and extended it. And they made it like, you can see it's like brand new. And she put this passway in. She got this put in as well. So that was her idea, was just a solid wall here. So very, very nice. So this is for family and friends. We were going to stay here, but because of our car being full of all of our stuff, they didn't have really proper parking, and I wasn't comfortable leaving my car on the street. So next time we come visit, we'll come stay. Denise had the cross put in there as well. Very, very nice. We'll take a quick look at the rest of the place. So it's kind of just a little breakfast nook here. You could have a coffee or whatever. It's very cool in here because there's just not a lot of windows, not a lot of sun. So, and then you got the bathroom here. Very, very nice. She's got it designed. I just love how she designed it. Oh, it looks like the lights over here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, like look at that, eh? Like wow. I never noticed this. It's built right in. That is so cool. Very nice. And here's your shower. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, yeah, this is a beautiful little home. Very beautiful. Very nice. This is our happy place. Exactly. Got the toothbrush holder here. Wow. I know I didn't notice that either. We were over here yesterday. We just took a quick look. So we sat in here for a few minutes and visited. So there's the bathroom, and then they got a storage here. This is storage area under the stairs. Paul's got lights up here. A little bit of storage here. A tiny little hot water tank. Very typical for a Mexican home to have a small hot water tank like that, and it's sufficient. We've used them. It's very sufficient. So that's it for downstairs. I got a little fridge. Oh, I didn't even notice it's got a freezer too. A little tiny freezer. So let's go upstairs and take a look, my friend. Come on, come on, come on. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, 30,000 Canadian dollars to have this place built. And then obviously the AC was extra. The lighting was, all of it was extra, right? For all that other stuff, the furnishing, just to have it built was 30,000 pesos. And they have AC downstairs and they have AC upstairs. And this is where the bedroom is. And the kitchen is upstairs, which is a great idea. Great idea. Full-size fridge, as you can see. Beautiful little seating area. You got your AC up there. You got your TV here, so you can lay in bed. I love the glass work there. Lots of shelving. Nice big kitchen, really, for how small the home is. Very, very beautiful. And Denise has such wonderful taste. As you can see, she's got it fixed up very, very nice. Count your blessings, exactly. Very, very nice. And there is a little deck here. Little wee deck overlooking the pool. Door's a little stiff. And you can go up on the roof if you want. You can see the ocean. It's back behind us here. You get a glimpse of it. It's not far, like I said, 2 blocks. So very, very close. So that's it. That's it for the downstairs and the casita, the backyard, the pool, the barbecue area. Now let's go check out upstairs at the main house and see that. Oh, she even had the hammocks put in, the hammock hooks. Very typical for a Mayan home. You got the hammock hooks here. And she's got 2 hammocks ready to go. It's cooler to sleep in the hammock. That's why a lot of the Mayan people sleep in the hammock. Our friends from here that are from Yucatan, they sleep in hammocks. It's a lot cooler, you know. There's the AC there. Okay. Beautiful area, absolutely beautiful. And literally a 15 minute walk and you're in the heart of the city in Progreso at the Malecon. The main Malecon. And look at the kitties, they're all just relaxing. They've adopted a bunch of cats.
No, they adopted us.
Oh, the cats adopted you guys, yeah. Okay, we'll go take a peek upstairs, and that'll be it, my friend. Thank you so much for watching and hanging around. Click that like button. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We're going to go bug Denise upstairs now. We won't look at your mess. Denise is busy working up here. So the bathroom is up here. We'll look at that first. And then we'll check out the master bedroom and Denise's little office. Nice big shower, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the sink. Like, wow. So nice. So nice. So there you go. Little hot water tank up there. Beautiful. The baño. Nice big shower. Got a fan up here as well. Very nice. Very nice. So this is here to the right is Paul's work area. Paul works here. This is Paul's work area right here. Oh, I never noticed that up there either. There's lighting up there. Very nice, very nice. So here, these fans are battery operated. Battery operated fan. I didn't even know there was such a thing. So if the power goes out, you still have a fan. How amazing is that? So this is the master bedroom, as you see. You got a lot of built-in closet space here. You got the AC. They got the ceiling fan. They got their TV up here. Nice dresser here. Very nice. Very, very nice. And they have a little balcony as well. I'll go outside quickly here. So they have a balcony out the front. So this is the front of the property. Very nice. Here's my car over there, the old Attitude. So we're right in the heart of Progreso here, guys. Right in the heart of the city. 2 blocks from the beach. There you go. What more could you ask for? And they access the roof here if they have to get out. And you can see the beach out here. Little glimpse of it right there, 2 blocks away. Okay, we'll go have a look at Denise's beautiful office here. Well, thank you so much, Denise, for allowing us to showcase your home.
Oh, yeah.
Your beautiful
pleasure.
home. Yes, we're very, very, very grateful.
I love the
built-in closet. Yes, me too. Now, what's this? This is Paul's instrument here?
Oh, yeah. He's got guitars, keyboard. He's got several guitars. This is his music room.
Okay. This is where, so that's what this is here. He's got covered up his keyboard. Oh, that's a keyboard electronic. Okay.
Yeah.
Electric keyboard. Yeah, we look at the bathroom. Very nice. We just have your little workspace here.
Oh, yeah.
And Denise keeps it very cool in here, so it's nice in here. Let's close the door quickly.
Air conditioning. Hallelujah.
Yeah, this is actually quite a big room, too.
It is.
Very big. So you got a view of the Casita.
slash guest room because we got a double bed here.
Yeah, you could have a guest room in here as well. Oh, and this has a built-in closet as well.
Yep.
Nice. Yeah, this is a big room. You have a big workspace here. I'm jealous. I wish I had a workspace this big. Yeah, this is a.
Well, I'm on a mission.
You're on a mission. That's right. You
Tell them
are.
I'm a pro-life speaker and working on a documentary.
Oh, and your movie. Don't forget about the movie.
Well, first the documentary.
First the documentary, then the movie. That's right.
Yeah.
God is pro-life. Exactly.
This is my mission.
Yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful area. Beautiful workspace. I am a little bit jealous, to be honest with you.
Hey, and look at this nice flamingo.
I know. Oh, that's from Paul or Carl.
Carl Boudreaux.
Yeah. Did he painted that?
Yeah, well, I don't know if it's paint. He did that painting over there too. I
Yeah,
don't know if it's
Carl,
actually
he's,
paint. It's some kind of graphic art he does.
Yeah, he's a good artist for sure. He's takes amazing photographs. Amazing.
Yeah,
He closed
he
his restaurant
probably-
down, right?
Yeah.
He doesn't do the restaurant anymore.
Yeah. He's looking after his wife, which is great.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour with two Gringos on the Gulf and Denise and Paul. Thank you so much. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Adios. Hasta luego. As always, be kind to one another.